Yes. Okay. Here there is nothing, correct?
Yes, sir. So
Now we'll
2k,
talk about 2k. Yes. So here it will be
2k squared, cube,
cube. Then
2k squared,
2k square. Then here
2k.
2k. Fine.
Yes,
Acha. There is anything is missing.
yes, sir. 3.
3 will come here. 3 will come here.
Yes,
Acha. Middle mein there is minus. So
yes.
what to
Minus,
here? What will it be?
plus,
Then
minus,
here,
plus,
here.
minus.
Okay. Shall I continue here further?
No,
Then
down.
what will you do? Down. Acha, now I'll tell you the good part. Can you see this is the exact thing?
Yes, sir.
So instead of again thinking how we were doing, we'll just copy this, except instead of minus plus minus, we'll put everything plus.
Yes, sir.
So just dictate this full thing in one line.
3r cube
Okay.
plus 3r square 2k plus 3r 2k square plus 2k cube.
Okay. Perfect. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us work on only the squaring and cubing. So we'll square and cube whatever we can. So let's start with this. What is 3 cube?
27
And r cube?
r cube.
Okay. Then minus. We are not multiplying to 3 as it is. What about 3 square?
3 square 6 9
9. And r square?
r square
Okay. Here 2k as it is. Plus 3. 3r. What about this? What is 2 square?
4k
And
square
k square. Minus. What is 2 ka cube?
8
8. K cube.
k cube.
K cube. Okay.
Yes.
Acha, now you only tell me. Acha, one thing we forgot was what is the sign here in between?
Plus.
So wherever you had written equal to, no, just below that write plus now.
Okay.
Because you're adding both of them, no? What you've written below.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So here also below equal to, I'll write plus because there's plus in between. Now,
Yes.
do you agree the same calculations that happen here?
Yes.
So is it okay if I just copy everything?
Yes, but the sign will be different.
Perfect. Yes. Plus. Now dictate fast.
27r cube plus 9r square 2k plus 3r 4k square minus 8k plus 8k cube.
8k cube. Fine. Okay. Now shall we multiply?
Yes.
1 second. Yes. This will remain as it is 27 r cube minus. Okay. First, let us multiply 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2?
6.
6. 1 second. And what is 6 into 9?
54.
54. And what is r square into k?
RK square. R squared k.
R square k. Yes. Plus. What is 3 into 3?
9.
9 into 4?
36.
36. And what about r into k square?
RK square.
Very good. Minus 8k cube. Correct?
Yes.
Now again I'll write plus. Now do you agree I can copy the same thing? I don't have to think now.
Yes, sir.
Except the pluses. So dictate
Yes.
fast.
27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36rk square minus plus 8k cube.
8k cube. Okay. Now comes the final line. And the good part here is If ever you see different signs, no, then just cancel them. And if you see the same signs, add them. For example, what is 27 ka sign here?
Minus. Plus. Minus.
There is
Plus.
nothing written, no? So what
Yes.
do you mean when nothing is written?
Plus.
And what is the sign here?
Plus.
So should I add them or should I cancel them?
Add them.
So what is 27 plus 27?
54.
54 R cube.
Yes.
Correct? Acha, these two, should I add or should I cancel?
Cancel.
Because one is minus, the other is plus. Cancel. What about 36, 36? Should I add or cancel?
Add them.
So add them.
72 RK cube. RK square.
RK square. Acha, these two?
Cancel.
Cancel. So can I say this is the final answer?
Yes.
How did you find it? Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay. Thank you, Amberly. Yes, I hope everyone has understood this question. So let us try one question with minus now. Okay, we'll try the third one so that I can give 1 and 4 as homework. Fine, and next time we can discuss these sums as homework. Message me, everyone, yes, if you all have understood this sum, so I can pick someone for the next one. It's okay. So, yes, I'm hoping everyone has understood now. Okay, let me pick someone for the next sum now. Okay, let's try Gargi from DN Nagar. Hello, Gargi. Gargi is not unmuting. Let's try Riddhi. Riddhi from DN Nagar. Hello, Riddhi. Riddhi is not answering. Okay, Sneha from Saidam. Hello. Sneha. Nobody wants to answer today. Let's try Parth from Vikroli. Hello, Parth Jain. Hello. Okay, I can see Shubhra wants to answer. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Did you understand the previous sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just erase this. Yes. So now the third sum we'll be solving.
Yes, sir.
The third sum is 4a minus 3 the whole cube plus 4a, sorry, it's not plus. I'll erase that. It is minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm writing equal to. So now let us only work on this bracket. Tell me what will happen.
4a cube.
Okay, 4a cube, then
4a square.
4a square,
4a.
4a,
And
nothing here. Now
3 square.
3 square,
3 cube.
3 cube. Here
3 square.
3 square,
3.
3. Anything we're missing?
3.
3 and 3. Correct?
Yes.
Acha, now the signs. What will be here?
Plus,
Here,
minus,
here,
plus,
here,
minus.
minus. Okay. Now, remember what I told you about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
The
now
same.
tell me below equal to what sign to write?
Plus.
In between plus is there?
Sorry, minus.
Minus. Acha, now remember when plus was there, did we put any big bracket?
No, sir.
But when minus is there, no, minus is slightly something to worry about. So let us put a box bracket. I'll tell you why we are putting this, okay, later. But when do we put it? Do we put it when plus is there or when minus is there?
Minus is there.
Okay, now remember what Amberlynn said. She just copied this entire thing as it is, except everything was plus.
Yes, sir.
So quickly tell me
4a cube
4a cube.
minus,
Arre?
sorry, plus
Plus
3
3
4a square
4a square
3
3
plus
plus
3
3
4a
4a
3 square
3 square
plus
plus
3 cube.
3 cube. Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next all we'll do is we'll just squaring. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what is, let's start with this. What is 4 cube? Hello?
64
64.
a
What is a
cube
cube? A cube, correct. Minus 3. Now tell me what is 4 square?
4 16
16. What is a square?
a square
This 3 as it is. Plus 3. 4a. Tell me what is 3 square?
9
9. Minus what is 3 cube?
3 cube 27
27. Okay, one second. Now there is minus.
yes, sir.
Correct? Then this bracket. Now tell me the same thing for this. We'll just copy this with pluses. So dictate it first.
64 a cube
Hmm.
plus 3 16 a square 3 plus 3 4a 9 plus 27
Very good. Okay. Now equal to. Now you'll have to multiply everything. So this as it is 64a cube minus. Okay, let's multiply this. What is 3 into 3? Shubhra?
yes
Hello?
yes sir
What is 3
hello
into 3?
sir
Yeah, I can hear you.
3 3 are 9 9
Sorry? 9.
9
And what is 9 into 16?
9 into 16
Multiply it and tell me first.
114
114. Let me check. 16 into 9. 9 6 are
54
4 and 5. 9 ones are. Hello? Hello, Shubhra.
hello sir
9 ones are
9
plus 5.
14
It is this, no?
yes sir by mistake I did 19 into 6
Okay. And a square. Now let's do the next one. Tell me what is 3 into 4
12
and 12 into 9.
108
Very good. 108a minus 27. Correct?
yes sir
Okay. Now there's minus. Now what to write here? Tell me.
64a cube
Hmm.
plus 144a square
Correct.
plus 108a
Hmm.
plus 27.
Okay. Acha, till now, now I don't have to make any change in the first line. I just copy it. 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27. Now, as I said, this minus is something you have to be careful around. That is why we put a bracket, correct?
Yes.
Now, next line, last line, we will open the bracket. But when bracket opens, every sign will change inside the bracket. For example, what is the sign here?
Plus.
But it will become change. Change, okay, क्या होगा?
Minus.
Minus. So it will become minus 64a. Same here. This is plus. But what will it become?
Minus.
Minus 144a square. This is also plus. What will it become?
Minus.
Minus 108a. This is also plus. But what will it become?
Minus 20.
Acha, tell me, if here it was minus, then what would it become?
Plus.
Plus. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you remember what I told when we were solving the first sum?
Yes, sir.
If the signs are plus minus, then we'll cancel them. And if the signs are same, we'll add them. So here it is plus minus. What should I do?
Cancel.
Sorry?
Cancel.
Cancel. Acha, these two, should I cancel?
No. Add.
Add. So add and tell me what you'll get.
$288.
But if there is minus here, we'll have to write minus 288 a square. What about these two? This plus one is minus. Cancel.
Cancel.
Acha, these two,
Add.
add and tell me.
$54.
Minus 54. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Shubhra.
Thank you.
Yes, I hope everyone has understood the sum. Message me yes if you have. Okay, I can see everyone is answering yes. Good. Fine. So I hope you all have understood the homework. The homework, as I said, just a second. Yes, it is question 2, first and fourth sum. I have not done that. And as we did with Deepika this time, if you all have a doubt, we'll solve it. Okay, but I want you all to give it a proper try. See if you all are having any doubts, having any issues. Okay, now let's move on to the last formula of this chapter. The one with 3 terms. Okay, I'm erasing it now. I hope everyone has solved this with me. Okay. Now let us understand the new formula. See, the new formula is this: a plus b plus c the whole square. See, when it was a plus b the whole square, the formula was a square plus 2ab plus b square. Basically, both terms ka I wrote squares. Like if there was a, I wrote a square. If there was b, I wrote b square. And 2 into, I multiply these two terms, 2ab. That's how I got this, right? I can arrange this same formula like this also. If I write both the squares together, a square plus b square and plus 2ab, both mean the same thing. I've just arranged it. Thoda aage piche kiya. This is what I get. But here if I see, I've squared each term and then I've written the combination multiplication with 2. Okay, so let me take Mrithul's help now to create the new formula. Hello Mrithul. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mrithul.
Yes, sir.
You have to help me with this formula.
Okay.
यहाँ पे देखो, it was a plus b, so I wrote a square plus b square. वैसे if I have three things, can I write तीनों का squares?
Yes.
So what to write here? A square
A square
plus next term
two
इसका square.
ABC
No.
square.
No. I'm telling you, you're following this format. मतलब पहले सबका squares लिख लो. A हो गया, उसके बाद क्या है?
2AB square.
No. Listen. Can you see this form?
Yes.
In this form, I've written a plus beta. So first I've written a square, then plus I've written b square. Correct?
Yes.
If there was plus something, उसका भी square आता था plus. तो वही logic से first tell me these three terms. A था तो I wrote a square. अब b है तो क्या लिखेंगे इधर? b square.
B square.
Plus c है तो क्या
C
लिखेंगे?
square.
c square. You understood till here now?
Yes.
Plus. अच्छा, when there were only two terms, I wrote 2 into ab.
Yes.
Correct? But अब there are three terms, तो एक बार 2 into ab आएगा, 2 into bc आएगा, 2 into ac भी आएगा. समझ रहे क्या क्या आएगा?
हाँ.
जैसे 2ab आएगा, ab का कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया, और किसके साथ कर सकते हैं? और क्या है? 2
BC. 2BC.
bc और लास्ट 2 इन दोनों का भी हो सकता है ना? ac. This is the new formula for the last exercise. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now quickly tell the full formula again.
A square plus B square.
No. With the question. With this.
A plus
Start from
B
here.
plus C square whole square
नहीं. whole square. Correct.
is equal
Is
to
equal
A
to
square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC.
okay. Yes, everyone message me yes if you understood. Thank you, Mrithul, for helping.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, message me yes if you understood, and if you all have, we can start with the next sum. Hello, Rushil. Hello. Okay, in that case, let us start with the sums. Okay, now one thing I would like you all to notice in this exercise is that when we learned a plus b, we also learned a minus b the whole square. When we learned a plus b the whole cube, we also learned a minus b the whole cube formula. दोनों signs के साथ सीखा था. But here if I go to learn this with all the signs, that means we'll have to learn many formula. One will be a minus b plus c the whole square. One will be a plus b minus c the whole square. One will be a minus b minus c the whole square. So rather than learning 4 formulae, we will not learn these. I'll teach you all a way to go about it. We'll only learn one formula. Okay? Let me pick one more person to tell the formula without looking. I'll erase this now. Yes. Let me try Aditya from Ghatkopar. Okay. Okay. Hitesh from Parla. Hello, Hitesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope you're not looking anywhere. Can you tell it without looking?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
A plus B plus C, the brackets, whole brackets.
No,
square
you don't
is
have to say
equals
bracket. You just say whole square.
whole square
Start
is
again.
equals A plus B plus C, the whole square is equals A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. AC.
Very good. Whether you say CA or AC, it is both mean the same thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hitesh, will you help me with the next sum then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will take the first sum from practice at 5.4. Practice at 5.4. Question 1 is expand, and the question is this: 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square. Okay. Okay, Hitesh, tell me what is A over here?
2P,
What is B?
Q,
What is C?
5.
Okay. Now what I will do is, can you tell me again A plus B plus C the whole square formula?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
A plus B plus C, the whole square is equals A square plus
One
B
second,
square,
huh? One second. First, this is A square, matlab I'll have to write A over here plus
B
then
square,
B square plus
C square,
C square plus
2AB,
2AB plus
2BC,
2BC plus
2AC.
2AC. Okay. So now here, tell me what will come here. This is A. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
2P,
2P. This is B.
Q,
This is C.
5,
This is A.
2Q, 2P,
2P. This is B.
Q,
This is B.
Q,
This is C.
5,
Acha. And this is A
2P,
and C.
5.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Next, here let's square and multiply everything. So tell me what is this answer?
4P square
4p square. Very good.
plus
Plus,
Q square
okay, q square plus
25 square
25 square. So
25
25. Yeah. Only squares and all will come on alphabets.
yes
Plus, what is 2 into 2?
4
And
4
p into
PQ
q? Yes, pq. Plus, what is 2 into 5?
10Q
10q. Plus, what is 2 into 2?
4
4 into 5?
20P
20p. Okay, just check. Is there anything with the same alphabets? See, or I am asking for like term. Like term means if there is 20p, is there also 10p? Basically, pp same है. कहीं पे भी है? हाँ,
no
है
sir
No. If there is q here, there is q square here, which is not same.
yes sir
P, there is p square. They are also not same. pq and p are not same. There are no like terms. So this is the final answer.
yes sir
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Hitesh.
welcome sir
Okay, everyone, message me yes if you understood this sum. Okay. Hello. Shesh has been raising his hand. Okay. Okay, let me pick Nicard. Wait. Nicandro. Nicandro disappeared. Hello, Nicandro. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You'll help me in the next one.
Okay.
Nicandro is correct pronunciation.
Yes.
Okay, which school are you from?
Holy Family High School.
Oh. So now let me pick question number 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 3x plus 4y minus 5p the whole square. Okay, now here tell me, Nicandro, what is A?
3x.
What is B?
4y.
And what is C?
5p.
That is wrong. See, we have learnt the formula of this. A plus B plus C the whole square, no?
Yes.
What? Tell me the formula of this.
A square plus B square
Correct.
plus C square. C
Continue.
square plus 2ab plus 2bc
Right.
plus 2ac.
Right. But for this formula to work, there only has to be plus and plus here.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that the case over here?
No.
So I'll tell you a way to get it. Okay. First,
Yes,
let
sir.
me erase this. Okay. So how we'll do that is we'll write it like this. We'll write this as 3x plus 4y. We'll write plus. But is there plus over here?
Yes, sir. No.
So in bracket, I'll write minus 5p,
Okay.
the whole square. Understood?
Yes.
So now tell me what is A?
3x.
What is B?
4y
And now what is this C?
minus 5p.
Okay. You understood how instead of learning different formula, how we have used one formula only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. So let's start. Tell me the formula again, so I'll make brackets how I did earlier.
A square.
A square.
3
No. Tell me with A and B only.
b
square.
plus b square
B square
plus c square
plus C square
plus 2ab
2AB
plus 2bc
BC
plus 2ac.
AC. Okay, this is A. So what to put here?
3x
3x. This is B.
4y
This is C.
minus 5p.
Very good. This is A.
3x
3x. This is B.
4y
4y. This is B.
4y
4y. This is C.
minus 5p.
Okay. This is A.
3x
And last is C.
minus 5p.
Okay. Fine. Okay, now let's square. What is 3 ka square?
9
What is x square?
x square.
Plus. What is 4 ka square?
16
What is y ka square?
y square
Plus. What is minus 5 square?
minus 25.
No. When you square minus, no, minus 5 into minus 5 you're doing, no? What
Yes,
is
sir.
minus into minus?
Plus.
So it will remain plus.
Yes.
And what is 5 into 5?
25
25. And p ka square?
p square.
So remember, in the beginning, you'll never get minuses here because square is always positive. So you'll always get plus
Okay,
in the
sir.
first 3 terms. Now let's continue. Plus, now let's multiply. What is 2 into 3?
6
What is 6 into 4?
6x
What is 6 into 4?
24
24. So first let us all multiply all the numbers, so that becomes 24. Now let's multiply x into y.
XY.
xy. Okay. Acha, here also notice there is plus here, but inside there is minus. So first
Yes.
multiply the signs. What is plus into minus?
Minus
What is 2 into 4?
8.
What is 8 into 5?
40.
40. What about these two? Y into p?
YP.
Yp. Here also first check the sign. Can you multiply the signs inside?
Yes.
Hmm.
It
So
will
what will
be
it-
minus
minus. What is 2 into 3?
6.
6 into 5?
30.
30. What about x into p?
XP.
xp. Understood the sum?
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay. Thank you, Nicandro.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. So there were 4 sums. Again, here we have done 2. I want you all to do the remaining as homework. I've done 2 sums. I want you all to practice the 2 sums, and wherever you all have doubts, next time we'll discuss it. Okay. Now, before stopping, I'd like to do one more sum from Simplify, the second question, which is the repetition of this only. But it is like 5.3 ka second question, how we did one below the other line. So let us follow the same thing. Okay, just raise your hand who all want to answer. Okay, good. I can see many people want to answer. Okay, let's pick Rudra. Hello, Rudra. What happened to Rudra? Okay. Hello, Dhruv Modi.
Hello, sir.
Huh. Which branch are you from?
From Vikroli.
Acha, how will we come to know?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So now we look at question 2. Okay.
जा
Hello.
रुक जा.
Hello. Dhruv is not answering.
Yes, sir.
Why were you screaming?
No.
Shall we start the sum?
Yes, sir.
Acha, first tell me, look at question 2. Can you see the 3 sums in question 2?
Yes, sir.
Which one looks difficult for you? Like, which one should we do now so that wo homework mein nahi rahe?
Second one, sir.
Second one looks hard. So let's do second one. Okay. So the question is this: 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Then there is minus 3k. 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Shall we do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me. Can you tell me the formula first of a plus b plus c the whole square?
A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ac.
Okay. अच्छा, but remember what we discussed. सब क्या sign होना चाहिए?
Yes, sir.
What should the sign be? अंदर का
Plus.
what should the signs? Plus है ना? But here everything is plus क्या?
No.
So remember I discussed with Nicandro how to get everything as plus. You remember or you don't remember? Hello, Dhruv.
Hello?
हाँ, you remember or you don't remember?
Mm,
Wait, I'll reteach you. If there is some confusion. Okay, let us see. Here, I've told you, right, 3k, what should the sign be in between?
minus.
नहीं, formula के हिसाब से what should the sign be? Just now the formula you
Plus.
told. Plus. तो ये minus को I'll write inside the bracket. Minus 4r. Understood?
Yes. Okay,
And
sir.
what to write here? What to write here?
Minus.
अरे अभी सिखाया ना कि in between we should not have minus. We should have plus.
Okay.
So what to
So
write?
yes, plus and then in bracket minus 2.
Minus only 2.
Minus 2. No.
Minus
M
2n.
square also.
The whole square. You understood? So now in this, tell me what is a? What is a?
3k.
What is b?
3k.
B.
Minus 4r.
What is c?
Minus 2m.
Very good. Now you understood?
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing let's do in the next bracket. Here 3k is 3k only.
3k
After the words, what should I write?
plus
Plus
4r
4r. Then
plus
plus
sign bracket and inside minus 2m square.
correct. Now you tell me. Okay, I think Rushil is turning on his video for some reason. Huh. Now in this case, tell me what is a?
3k.
What is b?
B is 4r and C is minus 2m.
Okay. So now let us work on this now. Let us only work on the first bracket. Okay. First bracket will be in the first line. Second bracket will be in the second line.
Yes.
Fit कर दो कैसे भी
Okay.
करके. अच्छा, let's discuss. Tell me the formula again of a plus b plus c the whole square.
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC
आराम
plus
से.
2AC.
So you said a square plus b square plus c square
Plus C square
plus
plus
2ab
2AB
plus
plus 2BC
plus.
and plus 2AC.
Okay. So let us substitute. In the first bracket, what is a?
3k
B.
minus 4r
Minus 4 or C.
minus 2m.
A.
3k
V.
4r
अरे ये 4R है. What is it, Dhruv?
minus 4r
हाँ, थोड़ा concentrate करके आंसर करो. What is B again?
minus 2m
अरे B
minus 4r
and C.
minus 2m.
Here what is A?
Minus 4r.
A, you can't see A, B, C. What is A?
Okay. 3k
3K. Dhruv, you're not concentrating. Huh? And what is C?
minus 2m.
Okay. You understood what we did till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, after the first bracket, what is the sign?
Plus.
This is, you can see plus in between.
Okay, sorry. Minus.
Minus. And when minus is there in the next line, what did I tell you to write? After the minus, what have I told you all to write?
Hello?
After minus, what have I told you to write?
Yes.
In the previous sum also we discussed this, that whenever there's minus in this before the second bracket, we should always put a bracket. You have to be careful of minus.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Okay, now see, can you see the next A, B, C are same?
Yes, sir.
Except just be careful that this is plus, only this is minus. You understood?
Yes.
So let us substitute here. This, if you notice, is 3k square.
Yes, sir.
Plus. Now what is, should I write minus 4r square or should I just write 4r square? Look at this bracket.
4r square.
Very good. 4r square. Plus. Should I write 2m or minus 2m?
Minus 12.
Very good. Minus 2m. Plus 2. Should I write 3k or minus 3k?
3k.
Should I write minus 4r or just 4r?
4r.
Plus 2. Should I write minus 4r or just 4r?
Just 4r.
Here minus 2m or just 2m?
2m.
Only 2m?
Minus 2m, sorry.
Plus 2. Here 3k or minus 3k?
3k.
And here minus 2m or just 2m?
Minus 2m.
Minus 2m. And we close this bracket. Okay, Dhruv, one more time, tell me why have I put this box bracket?
Because
Because
because after minus we have to put this
box bracket. Correct. You're correct.
box bracket.
Okay, now let's quickly square this. What is 3 ka square?
9.
What is k ka square?
k square.
हाँ, इतना गैप क्यों रहता है k और स्क्वायर के बीच में? प्लस व्हाट इज माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर?
16.
16. What is r का स्क्वायर?
r square.
Okay. Plus what is minus 2 का स्क्वायर?
4. Minus 4 square.
No. Square is always positive. Minus into minus is plus, no?
Okay.
Square is always?
Yes, sir. Positive.
What is m का स्क्वायर?
M square.
Plus. Now let us multiply. Acha, sorry. First let us multiply the signs. What is plus into minus?
Minus.
Minus. Now let's multiply. What is 2 into 3?
6.
6 into 4?
6 4s are 24.
24. And what is k into r?
KR.
Kr. Here also let's multiply the sign. What is plus into minus?
Minus.
But again minus into minus.
Plus.
तो बीच में plus आता है. What is 2 4s are?
2 4s are 8.
And 8 2s are?
16.
And what is r into n?
RM.
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 Okay. Here let us multiply. What is plus into minus?
Minus.
2 into 3.
6.
6 into 2.
12.
12. And what is k into n?
KM.
Km. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now there was minus in the next line. We'll put a
Yes.
box bracket. Now the best part is you don't have to calculate, you just have to be careful about the sign. Calculation सब हम लोग ने ऊपर किया वही same repeat होगा. So tell me quickly, इसके जगह पे क्या लिखूं? ये लिखेंगे ना?
9x square. Yes, sir.
9k square it is.
Full same.
Then plus इसका क्या आएगा?
16r square
इसका क्या
plus
आएगा?
4m square.
अच्छा, here also 24kr is correct. But just be careful about the signs. What will be the sign?
Minus.
हाँ, ये यहाँ पे देखो ना, प्लस इंटू कुछ हो रहा है क्या अंदर?
Plus.
तो प्लस ही रहेगा ना?
नहीं. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's discuss this now. Here also same आएगा, ऊपर जैसे होता वैसे 16 rm ही आएगा. But be careful about the sign. Can you see what will happen for plus into minus?
Yes, sir.
What will it
Minus.
become? Minus. Yes. Here also इसका भी ऊपर वाला जैसे ही आएगा 12 km आएगा. But look at the sign. What will it become? What is plus into minus?
Minus.
Minus. Fine.
In box bracket.
Perfect. Now one last step के बाद we'll get the answer directly. Now ऊपर का I'll write it as it is. 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12 km. Okay. Now, as I
Yes, sir.
said in the last sum, when we open the box bracket, no, inside all the signs will change. That is why
Yes,
we put
sir.
box bracket. Every sign will change. So tell me what will this become? ये plus का क्या होगा? हाँ, correct. It will change to minus.
It will stay
Minus.
plus only.
No. What is minus into plus?
Okay, minus.
That is why I'm telling you all the signs will change. This will also change. What will it become?
Minus.
Minus. पूरा बोलो. Minus 16r square.
Minus 16r square. Minus 4m square.
Minus 4m square. This will also
Plus.
change. हाँ, इसको change करो.
Minus 24 kr
Yes. This will also change.
plus 16 rm
This will also change.
plus 12 km.
12 km. Now, सिर्फ addition या cancellation होगा. Let us see what happens. I told you all that if the signs are different, plus minus है तो cancel करने का. What will happen to these two?
It will be cancelled.
Perfect. These two.
Cancelled.
These two.
Cancelled.
अच्छा. These two.
Will be add up.
So what is 24 plus 24?
48 kr.
48 kr. But also since they are both are minus, it will be minus 48 kr. Okay. Okay. What about these two?
32 rm
Sign
will be add up. Plus.
plus 32 rm. Okay. These two.
24 k. No, it will be cancelled. Sorry.
Very good. This is our final answer. Minus 48
Yes,
kr and plus, I'll just write it properly, 32 rm. Okay. Did you find this difficult?
Yes, sir.
Andrew,
Yes, a
was it
little
difficult?
bit confusing.
But
It was a little bit confusing.
right. So I think that will be the same for everyone, but practice it a little. So next time, wherever you all have doubts, we'll clarify. Dhruv, also, did you do last time homework?
Yes, sir.
5.3, any doubts you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone, message me if you all have understood these sums that we discussed. It was the same thing repeating. Okay, great. I can see everyone seems to have understood. So I expect you all to do the homework properly. And this is not a very easy chapter. It requires practice. So we are done with the chapter today. Next time, before starting the new chapter, we'll discuss all the doubts. So make sure you all solve the sums and come. And I'll see you all next time. Fine. Okay, then I'll be ending the lecture now. I hope everyone is prepared for tomorrow's test. We are having 2 tests now. So use some time to revise and then you all will be able to enjoy your Sunday also after the test. Fine. Okay. See you all soon.